Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
It is our project. Our project title name is Scene, a selective encryption method to ensure the confidentiality for big sensing data streams. It is our project abstract. The main idea is the while the encryption the data packets at the source, we attach the sensitivity levels of this data to each individual data packets. In the scene method, we apply the different keys of the encryption the data packets for different data sensitivity levels. The aim of the provide the different confidentiality level based on the application as well as the sensitivity level of this data. In our project, we are to consider the three levels of data confidently: strong confidently and partial confidently and no confidently. And the two keys, for example, K1 and K2 are encrypted methods. The privacy has become the considerable issues when the applications of the big data are dramatically and growing the cloud computing. The benefit of the implementation of this, the emerging the techniques have improved or changed the services models and improved the application's performance in various perspectives. However, the remarkable by the growing the volume of the data size also be resulted in these many challenges in practice. The execution time of the data encryption is one of the serious issues during the data pre-processing and data transmissions. To ensure the confidently of the collected data, there is the needed to prevent the data sensitivity information from the reaching the wrong people. To ensure the right people getting the sensitive data are always the association with the different sensitivity levels of based on the sensitivity and types. In our process, we propose the sensitivity encryption scene method that secure the big data streams that satisfy the describe the desired multiple levels of confidently. This is the proposed method is based on the two key concept. One is common shared keys and the selective encryption based on this type of data. Theoretically, unless the experimental result of the scene method is showed that is can be significantly improve the efficiency and the buffer using the DSM without the compromising the confidently with this integrity of this data streams. Additionally, the proposed system provide time-based access control among the data authentications. So the data client can be accessed the data at specified times periods, which is defined by the data owners. Hence, here they provide the effective bandwidth management systems and the compared out of our existing systems. Without cloud computing is not about in the hard drive. When you store the data to run the programs and we have the hard drives, this is called the local storage of the computing. Everything you need is a physical close of this windmill the accessing the your data in the first and easy for the own computers or other the local computers working off your hard drive in this your hard computer industries. Functionality the decided some of this would argue the still surprises the cloud computing for reasons it is an example shortly. It is our project flow diagram. In our project flow diagram, the first module is data load dataset, and the second is pre-processing, and third is big data cluster, fourth is map and reduce, and fifth is HOPCM cluster, and fifth is fetch files on cloud. In our first process of load dataset, we have load the dataset from this any of the dataset. The user can be upload any of the dataset. Okay, so this dataset can be we have taken. So the dataset can be next goes pre-processing. The pre-processing is remove all of the information and null values. Okay, and the third is big data cluster means we have created the big data cluster. Clustering we have the clustering means grouping. So we have the group this all of this information about in this pre-processed dataset. So next is the map and reduce. In this map and reduce function, we have the clustering and classification and time calculation and execution time from this map and reduce process. In the map and reduce process, we have generated the each data from key size. Okay, we have generated the key for each line and line instructions. So this we have first we have read the in map and reduce process. The map and reduce can be first read the in our data and generate the key from each and same lines. When the redundancy data can become same word and the same data can become, so we have removed the map and reduce process. After the map and reduce information can be stored from the HOPCM cluster. The HOPCM cluster is another type of encryption. We have encrypted data. We have using this HOPCM clustering. We have encrypted the data. And another time we have clustered the information and generate the key for each clustered information. So for example, if the user want to split the information, so the user can give the count. I have the data can be split this based on the counting, and this data can be encrypted and this data can be clustered them and after that this information can be stored from this cloud side. The cloud server can be stored from this splitted encrypted data, and after the key can be matched, the secret can be matched. After the data can be downloaded from this user, and data the user can be downloaded it. So it is our project backup. So it is in scene, so it is our project code. So extract this our project packages. So it is in first frame is alpha.java. So right click this run file. So if you click this run file, the alpha.java frame can be run. So it is our project title can be it is in our project title scene the selective encryption method to ensure the confidentially for bit sensing data streams. So click this start button, process can be start. So click this switch. So click this data text. So it is an user uploaded this data. Okay, so click this display. So this data information can be displayed in this field. So next the data pre-process. So data pre-processing, remove the null values can be displayed. So the null values information can be removed. So after this data information can be inserted from database. So this database structured format data can be displayed in this field. So it is an patient relevant information. So the age, job, marriage status and education content, and it is in housing loan. This all of the information can be displayed in this field. So it is an education and bank loan relevant information can be displayed this in this data set. So click this next. So it is in big data cluster. So clustering process can be completed. So next we can be load this data set. So this clustered information can be loaded from this database. So this loaded information can be displayed in this frame. So click this display this after the loader information can be displayed as stepwise it can be displayed. So next it can be goes from this level 1 and level 2. So first click this level 1. The level 1 information can be displayed this field. So level 1 information can be displayed. So it is a clustering the level. First we can be classified as age and marriage, marital status and the job and education wise we can be clustering. So next we can be classified the level 1. So after the can be classified the level 1, the level 1 information can be properly classified, and this information can be displayed in this field. So two times we have a clustering this. So enter the cluster numbers. So we have the clustering process can be completed. So we can be split the data into cluster wise. We can be based. We can split. So I can be fix this 3. So in this give the 3. The cluster based splitted can be data can original data can be splitted. So it is 1 data set 1 and data 3 information can be displayed. So this first we can select this data 3.text, upload this information can be uploaded. So second appended this process can be completed. So click this next. So there are two types of public type and a private type. So you can be choosing in any type of. Okay, I can choose the public type. So open your file. So it is your splitted file information can be displayed. So I can choose this any of this text file. So this information data 2 can be how goes to encrypted file. So click this encrypted. The original file content can be encrypted. So encryption data key can be displayed. So you can note this in this key 96304. So you can be note this in this key. Okay. So after encryption process can be completed. So the encryption process can be completed. The encrypted DES algorithm based encryption HOPCM based clustering can be involved in our process. After the HOPCM clustering can be completed, the data can be encrypted. So after the data is successfully encrypted, so next click this next. So click this this images and data information file size can be displayed. So click this upload. So data can be uploaded. So next, so download the data. We have it is your cloud data. So you can choose any of the data. Okay, I can choose the data for that text. So open. So next you can be decrypt. The decrypt key can be his. So ask the this process can be asked the decrypted key. So it is our decrypted key. So fill this decrypted key. So click this OK. The data can be successfully downloaded in this process. So thank you for watching in this video.